Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, today we will have your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. Say something about yourself.
Hello, everyone. My name is Jason. I'm 11 years old. My birthday is on 27th of August. I live in Bali, Hanoi. My family have 4 people. I study at Standard Secondary School. My hobby is watch TV.
Watching TV. Okay, so let's start. Identify the country and the nationality.
Brazil, Brazilian, USA, American, Italy, Italian, China, Chinese, Spanish, Spanish,
Spain.
Spanish,
Spain, Spanish.
Spain, Spanish.
Okay, so next one. How are you feeling today?
I feel bored, I feel sad, I feel hungry, and I feel hot.
Okay, let's have this one. Use there is, there are, and in or on in a sentence.
There is a boy on the chair. There is there is an apple in the box. There are books on the chair. There
Table.
a table. There are food on the fridge.
Foods on the fridge. Okay. Now, what have you got in your school bag?
I have a banana, a keys, a wallet, a chocolate, a book, and a watch.
Okay, that's good. What can or can't you do?
I can swimming.
I can
I
swim.
can swim. I can cook. I can't ride a horse. I can't sing.
Okay, the next one. What time is it?
It's 2 o'clock, 9 o'clock, half past 11, quarter to a quarter past 4.
Okay, now next one. What are your daily activities?
I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I wake up. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I wear clothes. I wear my clothes. I have breakfast. I go to school. I go. I come home. I eat lunch. I take a shower and eat dinner, and I go to bed.
Okay, that's great. Now, use this in a sentence. Okay.
She has got art on Monday at 10:05. She has got PE on Tuesday at 11:20. She has got IT on Wednesday at 9:15. She has got math on Thursday at 10:05.
Okay, now, what do you like doing in your free time?
I like play badminton. I like swimming. I like play football, and I like running.
Okay, that's great. Now, what jobs do you do at home?
I wash the bath. I wash the dishes. I cook dinner. I walk the dog, and I feed the cat.
Okay, that's good. So that is our speaking test. Thank you.
Thank you for listening.